Did you know that McDonald's fries are the best sellers worldwide? What makes McDonald's fries so irresistible? How do you achieve the same crunchy texture and unmistakable flavor in millions of servings served daily around the world? McDonald's fries are one of the most popular foods in the world, but their manufacturing process is much more complex than it seems. Each potato goes through a series of well-controlled steps, from selecting the best varieties to cutting, frying, and freezing in specialized factories. These potatoes are then shipped to restaurants around the world, where they are cooked to the crispy perfection we all know. Today, we take you inside McDonald's factories to discover how millions of fries are manufactured daily with the same flavor and quality. McDonald's fries are recognized around the world for their unmistakable flavor and texture. However, behind each portion served, there is a complex industrial process that must guarantee consistency, quality, and safety at every step. McDonald's serves millions of servings of French fries daily in its more than 39,000 restaurants worldwide, making French fry production a massive and extremely controlled operation. The first big challenge is selecting the right potato. McDonald's mainly uses varieties such as Russet Burbank and So and Shepherdie, which are known for their high starch content and ability to turn into long, crispy fries. These potato varieties are mainly grown in large agricultural regions of the United States, Canada, and Europe. McDonald's works closely with farmers and suppliers to ensure potatoes are grown in optimal conditions, including soil selection, water management, and pest control. Growing potatoes for McDonald's also involves sustainable farming practices, an approach the company has taken to reduce the environmental impact of its production. Farmers associated with McDonald's follow strict responsible farming protocols, including crop rotation, reducing pesticide use, and adopting efficient irrigation technologies to conserve water. In fact, McDonald's has committed to sourcing 100% of its potatoes from sustainable sources by 2030, a goal that requires collaboration across the entire agricultural supply chain. Once the potatoes are harvested, the next challenge is their transportation to processing factories. This is a crucial step, as the potatoes must arrive at the factories in optimal conditions to ensure maximum freshness and quality. The potatoes are transported in specially conditioned trucks, which ensure that the temperature and humidity are maintained at appropriate levels during the journey. Any variation in these conditions could affect the final quality of the fries, forcing McDonald's to carefully monitor the transportation process. The process of making fries in McDonald's factories is where advanced technology really comes into play. The factories are equipped with automated systems that allow large volumes of potatoes to be processed in a short time, ensuring that each potato is cut, blanched, fried, and frozen in a matter of minutes. The first step inside the factory is the inspection and cleaning of the potatoes. At this stage, the potatoes go through an automated washing system that removes any dirt, stones, or impurities. McDonald's factories use advanced optical scanners that detect defects in potatoes, such as spots or irregularities in their shape. Any potatoes that do not meet quality standards are discarded or redirected for other uses, such as animal feed production. Once cleaned and classified, the potatoes go to the peeling and cutting process. This is one of the most important steps as it determines the final size and shape of the fries. McDonald's is known for its long, thin fries, and to achieve this, high-precision cutting machines are used to ensure each fry is the perfect thickness and length. These machines cut potatoes into uniform strips in a matter of seconds, ensuring that all potatoes are cooked evenly in restaurants. The next step in the process is blanching, which is a technique used to improve the texture and color of potato chips. Blanching involves submerging cut potatoes in hot water for a few minutes, which helps remove excess sugars and prepare the potatoes for the next step: partial frying. During blanching, potatoes can also be treated with a solution containing dextrose, which helps enhance the characteristic golden color of McDonald's fries. After blanching, the potatoes go into the partial frying process. At this stage, the potatoes are fried in vegetable oil at a controlled temperature. This step is crucial to ensure the potatoes get a crispy texture on the outside while remaining soft on the inside. However, at this point, the potatoes are not fried completely. They are only partially cooked, so they can be frozen and then fried again in restaurants. ensuring they maintain their freshness and flavor by the time they are served to customers. One of the biggest challenges in French fry production is maintaining consistency and flavor across all McDonald's restaurants around the world. This means that each serving of French fries must have the same taste, texture, and quality, regardless of whether it is served in New York, Tokyo, or Buenos Aires. To achieve this, McDonald's uses specific vegetable oils for frying and has standardized its procedures in all factories and restaurants. The oil used in the factories is carefully selected to meet the company's health and sustainability standards. In recent years, McDonald's has shifted to oils that contain fewer trans fats and more healthy fats, such as canola and soybean oils. The freezing process is another crucial step in the production of McDonald's French fries. After being partially fried, the potatoes are quickly cooled in freezing tunnels that bring them to very low temperatures in a matter of minutes. This quick freezing process is essential to preserve the freshness and texture of the potatoes until they reach restaurants. Frozen potatoes are packaged in vacuum-sealed bags and stored in cold storage until they are ready to be transported to McDonald's distribution centers around the world. Global logistics is a challenge in itself. The frozen fries must be transported to more than 39,000 McDonald's restaurants in more than 100 countries. To achieve this, McDonald's has a network of strategically located distribution centers that ensure that potatoes arrive fresh at all their destinations. Refrigerated trucks and cargo ships are part of this huge logistics infrastructure, which is designed to maintain the cold chain throughout the transportation process. The trucks and ships are equipped with monitoring systems that ensure that the potatoes are kept at the right temperature throughout the journey, minimizing any risk of spoilage. In addition to logistical and technological challenges, McDonald's is also facing consumer pressure to be more sustainable. In response, the company has implemented several initiatives to reduce its environmental footprint, including the use of recyclable packaging materials and improving energy efficiency in its factories. They have also taken steps to reduce food waste, optimizing their production processes and improving inventory management in restaurants. The process of making McDonald's fries begins long before they reach restaurants. From selecting the right potatoes to the final frying, each step is carefully designed to ensure that the fries served around the world have the same quality and taste. The basis of McDonald's fries is choosing the right potatoes. The potato varieties most used by McDonald's, such as Russet Burbank and Chipotle, are characterized by their high starch content and low sugar content. This is important because high starch potatoes produce crispier fries, while low sugar potatoes allow the fries to have a uniform golden color instead of turning brown during frying. The potatoes McDonald's uses come from local farmers who work under long-term agreements with the fast food chain. These farmers must meet strict quality and sustainability standards. The company ensures that the potatoes are grown sustainably, using methods that minimize the use of water and pesticides. McDonald's also ensures that farmers implement sustainable agricultural practices, such as crop rotation, to protect the soil and improve crop quality. After harvesting, the potatoes are carefully inspected and graded before being sent to processing factories. Potatoes that do not meet quality standards are removed from the supply chain or destined for other products, such as the production of mashed potatoes or livestock feed. Transporting potatoes from farms to processing factories is a fundamental step in the process. To ensure that the potatoes arrive in optimal condition, refrigerated trucks are used to keep the potatoes at a controlled temperature during transit. Temperature and humidity conditions must be perfect to prevent the potatoes from being damaged or deteriorating before reaching the factories. Additionally, potatoes are transported in specialized containers that reduce the risk of bruises or bumps during transit. McDonald's potato processing factories are strategically located near major potato growing regions. This allows potatoes to be transported quickly and efficiently, minimizing the time between harvesting and processing. Speed is crucial to ensuring that potatoes maintain their freshness and quality. When potatoes arrive at processing factories, the first step is inspection and cleaning. This process ensures that all potatoes used for French fries meet McDonald's rigorous quality standards. In the inspection phase, potatoes are examined using machine vision technology that detects any visible defects on the potato, such as spots, bruises, or deformities. Potatoes that do not meet standards are removed from the production line. Potatoes that pass inspection are thoroughly washed using high-pressure washing machines. This washing process removes any dirt, stones, or impurities that may have remained on the potato. After washing, the potatoes are peeled using automated peeling machines. These machines remove the skin from potatoes in seconds, leaving the surface of the potato smooth and ready for the next step. Cutting. Cutting the potatoes is one of the most important steps in the process of making McDonald's fries. To achieve the long, thin fries that are so characteristic of the brand, factories use high-precision cutting machines. These machines cut potatoes into uniform strips that have a specific thickness to ensure even cooking. Cutting machines are capable of processing large volumes of potatoes in a short period of time. The potatoes are pushed through cutting grates that create perfectly uniform strips. This fast and efficient cutting process ensures that each fry is the correct size and shape. After being cut, the potatoes go through the blanching process, which is a technique used to improve the texture and color of the fries. Blanching involves submerging the potatoes in hot water for a few minutes. This process helps remove excess starch and improve the structure of the potatoes so they cook more evenly in the frying stage. During blanching, some factories also apply a treatment with dextrose, a type of natural sugar that helps improve the golden color of French fries during cooking. Blanching is a crucial step because it allows the potatoes to maintain their characteristic color and texture after being cooked. After blanching, the potatoes go through the process of partial frying. At this stage, the potatoes are immersed in vegetable oil at a controlled temperature and fried for a few minutes. This partial frying is essential to give the potatoes their crispy, golden texture. However, at this point, the potatoes are not fried completely. The final frying occurs in restaurants where the potatoes are cooked completely before being served. Partial frying is one of the most important steps in the production process, as it ensures that the fries maintain their freshness until they are cooked again in restaurants. McDonald's uses specific vegetable oils for frying, such as canola and soybean oil, which are healthier and contain less trans fat than previously used oils. After partial frying, the potatoes are subjected to a quick freezing process. The fries are placed in freezing tunnels where the temperature is drastically reduced in a matter of minutes. This quick freezing process ensures that the potatoes maintain their freshness and texture until they reach McDonald's restaurants around the world. Quick freezing is a crucial step because it allows the potatoes to be stored and transported without losing quality. Frozen potatoes are packaged in vacuum-sealed bags, which protects them during transportation and storage. These bags of frozen fries are shipped to McDonald's distribution centers around the world, where they are stored in cold storage until they are ready to be shipped to restaurants. Transporting frozen fries from factories to McDonald's restaurants around the world is a massive logistical operation. Frozen potatoes are transported in refrigerated trucks that maintain the cold chain throughout the journey. These trucks are equipped with real-time monitoring systems that allow you to verify that the temperature remains constant during transportation. In addition to refrigerated trucks, McDonald's uses refrigerated cargo ships to transport French fries to international markets. These ships are designed to maintain the cold chain during long voyages, allowing the potatoes to reach their final destination in the best possible condition. McDonald's global logistics is extremely efficient, allowing the chain to supply thousands of restaurants in more than 100 countries. Finally, the fries make their way to McDonald's restaurants, where they are fried again before being served to customers. Frozen potatoes are cooked in industrial fryers at a controlled temperature to ensure they achieve their crispy on the outside and soft on the inside texture. After frying, they are sprinkled with salt and served immediately, ensuring customers enjoy hot, fresh fries in every serving. The climax of the McDonald's French fry production process is reached when all stages, from the selection of the fries to their arrival at the restaurants, work in perfect harmony to ensure that the fries reach millions of people around the world fresh and crispy. Everyone. It is at this point where advanced technology, automation, and global logistics combine to achieve an unprecedented large-scale operation. One of the most amazing aspects of this climax is the use of advanced technology at every stage of the process. McDonald's processing factories are fully automated, allowing large volumes of potatoes to be transformed into ready-to-cook fries in a matter of hours. Cutting machines, freezing tunnels, and industrial fryers work together to ensure that potatoes maintain their characteristic flavor and texture. Quality control is a key element in this climax. Throughout the entire process, potatoes are inspected and graded to ensure only the best make it to restaurants. The precision of machine vision systems and automation in cutting and frying ensure that each fry has the same shape, size, and consistency, regardless of where it is served. Another crucial aspect of the climax is McDonald's global supply chain. French fries must arrive fresh to restaurants in more than 100 countries, requiring impeccable logistical coordination. Refrigerated trucks and cargo ships must maintain the cold chain at all times to ensure that potatoes do not deteriorate during travel. Real-time monitoring systems allow McDonald's to track each shipment of fries and adjust transportation conditions if necessary. The climax also reflects McDonald's commitment to sustainability. As environmental and health concerns continue to grow, McDonald's has made significant efforts to reduce its environmental impact. This includes adopting healthier vegetable oils, using recyclable packaging, and improving energy efficiency in its factories. Additionally, McDonald's works closely with farmers and suppliers to ensure that potatoes are grown sustainably and that the production process is as resource efficient as possible. A key factor in this climax is consistency. Throughout the entire process, from the selection of the fries to their final cooking in restaurants, McDonald's maintains a rigorous focus on ensuring that each serving of fries has the same taste and texture anywhere in the world. This is possible thanks to the standardization of procedures in all the chain's factories and restaurants. Every step of the process has been optimized to maximize the quality of the final product, from the choice of potatoes to the oils used to fry them. McDonald's ability to produce French fries in such large quantities while maintaining such a high level of quality is a testament to its focus on technological innovation and operational efficiency. McDonald's factories are shining examples of how automation and advanced technology can transform an industrial operation into a highly efficient process that meets global demand. Finally, the climax of McDonald's French fry production process is proof of the company's commitment to customer satisfaction. Every serving of French fries served at McDonald's is the result of a carefully designed process that ensures customers receive a high-quality product with the taste and texture they expect. This level of consistency and quality is what has allowed McDonald's to remain one of the leaders in the fast food industry for decades. The production process for McDonald's French fries is an impressive feat of advanced technology, global logistics, and quality control. From the selection of the potatoes to their final cooking in restaurants, each stage of the process has been carefully designed to ensure that the fries maintain their characteristic flavor, crispiness, and freshness, regardless of where they are served. One of the most surprising aspects of this process is the massive scale on which it is carried out. McDonald's processing factories handle millions of tons of potatoes each year, using automated systems to transform large volumes of potatoes into French fries ready for cooking in restaurants. Every step of the process is optimized to maximize efficiency and ensure each serving of French fries maintains the quality standards customers expect. The commitment to sustainability is another important factor in the potato chip production process. McDonald's has implemented several initiatives to reduce its environmental impact, including using healthier oils, reducing trans fats, and using recyclable materials in packaging. Additionally, the company works closely with farmers to ensure that potatoes are grown sustainably, minimizing water and pesticide use. Global logistics also plays a crucial role in the success of McDonald's French fry production process. Frozen French fries are transported to more than 39,000 restaurants worldwide, requiring precise coordination and the use of refrigerated trucks and cargo ships to maintain the cold chain. Real-time monitoring systems ensure that potatoes arrive at their destination in the best possible condition. In short, McDonald's French fries production process is an impressive example of operational efficiency, technological innovation, and sustainability. Thanks to these advancements, millions of people around the world can enjoy crispy, delicious potato chips anytime, anywhere. McDonald's ability to produce high-quality French fries at scale is a testament to its focus on customer satisfaction and commitment to excellence. What did you think of the video? Subscribe to the channel for more content about McDonald's, and comment the word potatoes in the comment section so you can continue eating McDonald's for life.